Hey guys, welcome to the Cinemark Lab. I'm posting this on my YouTube channel called Geotech. Don't really use it that much, but we are going to do an unboxing of the JTR Kallos 38 series speakers. Everybody loves an unboxing video. Hope I don't cut myself. This is a 3-pack I purchased from JTR Speakers. These just came out. I'm really excited because they use the 8-inch coaxial driver like I have in my, still I have some single 8 slanted 8 HTLPs for my Atmos channel, so I always love those speakers. I have 3 single 8s upstairs in my family room, so I'm going to be doing a comparison also, measure the near field of the single 8s and the Kallos 38s here. So here we have nice thick cardboard, packing foam, very well packed. Don't know what that says. I thought it said JTR speakers, but it doesn't. All right, and then here we have 3 speakers, shrink wrapped. Let's see if we can get it out. Let me take that off first. Actually, maybe I'll pull this out first. That should make it easier. All right. All right. Number 1. So this is magnetically attached grill. The plug came out. Let me get my ruler so you can measure the drivers. Normally the foam plug's in there like that to protect the. So we have here, this is a 8-inch coaxial driver, the tweeter in the center. This acts as the waveguide, and the passive radiators are 7 inches. If you measure there, the driver is 6 inches. So for you European folks, we have a 205 millimeter coaxial driver, and this would be a 182 millimeter. Sorry, my vision isn't what it used to be. So these are passive radiators. Turns instead of having a porta box, you can just seal with passive radiators. Very nice carbon fiber. Love the look of these. Love the smell of that industrial proprietary lacquer flat black finish. All right, so on the back side we got the binding posts, and then we have these amounts. Measure these. I'll only do millimeters because that's how they measure these. So that's 75 by 75. 75 by 75 these amount. And then, not sure what these are. It's different options. It's 130 by 45. But 75 by 75 these amount will work for any of those brackets you can get on Amazon. The brackets I'm going to get are like $17 for mount it. And it supports 75 by 75 Visa or 100 by 100. You also have the keyhole mounts. Those are standard all JTR speakers. So I'm going to do swivel mounts. I'm going to do LCR, left and right horizontal, this vertical, and the center horizontal under the TV. It'll probably be a while before I get mounted, but I'll do the near field measurements in my theater here between the Kallos 38 and the single 8s that I have upstairs. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.